Hello friend, today we are going to learn about Bootstrap checkboxes and jQuery, some jQuery on it, if we create a checkbox group and we want to only select a single checkbox, so how we can do that. And the other thing is, if we want to get the selected checkbox value, so how we can get the value. So let's start. First of all, we will create, here I have a project folder created. I am using PHP file. You can use for this tutorial only .html file. So for this you must, for PHP file, you must have a XAMPP server installed, and you have to start Apache and MySQL. After that, create a new project or open existing project in Visual Studio, and here we will create a new file. Here is the option for new file. So jQuery.php, this is the file name I am using. So here first we will create a simple basic structure of the HTML. So here I will copy for the basic structure. Here we will close the body tag, HTML tag, and now we need the jQuery code here also. So let's copy the jQuery code. Okay, so now we need to create some HTML code. Div class container. This class will add some padding in the left and right. And now we have to, you must know about the basic bootstrap files like div class row. If you want to create a multiple columns in a single row, so for this you can use class colmd6. Like I want to create 2 or 3 or 4 checkboxes in one row. For this I am using only 3 checkboxes in one row. For here we can add some padding. Okay, so here we are going to create our form check is the class for start checkbox container. Okay, so within this class we are going to add another class form check input. Oh sorry, this is the input tag, and ID of each checkbox will be different. Name will be same, like here we can give the name checkbox group. Input type checkbox, and here we can also add a label class input check arm check label, and here we can give a name like validate campaign. Here we can add another attribute checkbox 1. So here we have created one checkbox, and now we can copy paste here for the checkbox 2. We can give it a name, run campaign, and another checkbox, send email. And below we can add here a button. Button plus BTN primary and ID. BTN submit. Okay, this is ready. Now we can check here localhost / learn coding, and we can give the name here Bootstrap checkbox jQuery.php. You can see here checkboxes. Okay, so now we will write code to only select a single checkbox. Document dot ready function. Okay, in this we will write code about we will write a on change function, checkbox on change function. Right here input name is equal to checkbox group dot change function. Okay, so here we will write name is equal to checkbox group dot not this dot prop checked checked for. Okay, here we can check the result. It will select only one checkbox. Now another thing is button click to get the selected checkbox value. So btn submit selected value is equal to input is equal to input name is equal to checkbox group checked dot value. Here we will display the selected value in alert. It is giving on because we have not added here values. We will add the value. Send email and this one. Reload the page. It's giving the selected checkbox value. So this is the tutorial for today. We have learned about Bootstrap checkboxes and how we can display, how we can do multi checkboxes, only select one checkbox, and how we can get the selected checkbox value. So thanks for watching the video.